Good morning, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. It is the 16th of January, 2015, and I'm going to talk about trend following, because that's what we do. And there are some that say trend following make millions in up markets and down markets. Well, potentially, and as much as past performance is not indicative of future performance, that could be said, but I'm going to make you another statement. For those of you that trade Forex or just even read the newspaper, yesterday was a decimating day for this. Anything can happen when you trade. This was an historical move that I was just sitting back and I thought maybe there was wrong data on my screen. It was the Swiss franc. They decided to depeg from the euro dollar. This is why, too, it accentuates really what I do. I try to teach people how to trade. What I try to teach them is don't take these big positions. You blow up. There were two major brokers that I read in the newspaper this morning that blew up. They're not able to make capital requirements. The brokers, not just their clients. So their clients basically blew up, and then it was a domino effect to the brokers. I portray don't risk more than 1% on any trade. Actually, in my models, I'm trading 40 basis points, 50 basis points, 75 basis points. Because even when you have something like this, which is completely Six Sigma and news related, you don't get destroyed. You get hurt. And it was very, very painful. I spoke to the trade desks that I trade through, and they were just, it reminds them what happened to the euro dollar, actually the interest rate, back in 1987, when that just went ballistic and took people out. So when you trade, you need to trade with a plan. You need to be diversified. You don't put all, again, I don't put more than 5% of my portfolio in any sector, not one item. So let's say if I'm trading currencies, might be, again, as much as there is correlation, I could be short the euro dollar, short the Swiss franc, short the British pound, and long the dollar, as long as I don't surpass a 5% risk on my total portfolio if everything goes wrong. But even this, your stops are going to get blown out because anything can happen. And there's so much risk when you trade. So I want to just accentuate this because I had a lot of calls yesterday. What to do? Well, first of all, I'm not a financial advisor. I trade. And what's really cool for me is I teach people. And it's a way that I meet people all over the world. I mean, from Asia to Africa to the States to South America, Europe. I have conversations with people. It's really cool. And my goal is to help them become better traders. And I was helped, and it's kind of a way of giving back. This is not a true business for me. I mean, there's people that sell courses for thousands and thousands of dollars. Mine is $99. I do hourly consulting in between everything else that I'm doing. $200 an hour to help you get your plan going. And I had a very nice email from somebody today thanking me for helping them get to their plan, that they're comfortable following their plan. And we're constantly in touch. I also have two books, The Bible of Trend Following, The Bible of Compounding Money. If you have any questions, instead of just calling me, which people do, I would really prefer just emailing me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Again, what you need to do in order to be a successful trader is you need commitment. You need to have perseverance because it's not easy. It's a marathon. Most importantly is you need a trading plan that matches your personal, let's say, risk tolerances. Some people are gamblers. I'm not. I'm a scaredy cat. I like to take small bets. I try to keep them small. Small percentage risk in my account size. And then even with that said, you have unexpected Six Sigma events like the Swiss franc. Things will go wrong. This does not make millions in up markets and down markets, and it's that easy. It's tough. So that's why, if you need help, I'm here to help you. Thank you.